Mom walks out of house holding Mesa base and closes door behind her. Mom walks to car and opens car door. Mom places base on the vehicle seat and installs the car seat base. Once installed, Mom leaves car and shuts the door. Mom is now inside house, and baby is in car seat on the floor. Mom adjusts the headrest and buckles the harness straps to properly fit baby in the seat. Mom leaves the house carrying baby in the car seat. Mom walks to car. Mom attaches the car seat carrier to the base and adjusts the carrier handle back. Mom and baby interact before she closes car door. Car is parked with stroller frame on the sidewalk. Mom carries car seat to stroller and attaches it directly to the frame. Mom extends canopy on the car seat, releases foot brake, and strolls off. Mom and baby continue to stroll. A friend is sitting at an outdoor cafe as Mom and baby stroll up. Mom brakes stroller and pushes canopy back. Mom uses one hand to lift and reverse carrier on stroller frame, so the baby is now facing the table. Mom pushes down carrier handle. Baby happily sits in car seat while Mom and her friend catch up.